Today's video is an interactive coaching tutorial to help b-boys and b-girls freestyle easier. If you've been here before and want to get straight to the training, you can jump to one of the time codes here. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. I'm AJ47 from Soul Mavericks crew. Subscribe if you are new, like the video if you like it, and there are ways that you can support the channel listed down below. Similar to my follow along series, my new and original interactive series is one of those videos that you can watch again and again, and you can be any level. Stay to the end of this introduction so you know why, how and what to do this time around and the next time you come back. The training footage I use in this video is from an Instagram live I did with my two close friends, Spin from Soul Mavericks and Carnage from Smack 19. The purpose of that live was to showcase ways that you can stay connected and train during lockdown, and also to motivate those who might have been struggling. We called the lives isolation exchanges, where we would exchange in our break-in using different themes and training methods. We're going to be using the footwork warm-up and the freestyle training themes that we used in those lives. To kick things off, we'll be doing our footwork warm-up going from the 2-step to the 7-step. I'm going to go, you're going to go. When it's my turn, the screen's going to be in color. When it's your turn, the screen is going to be in black and white. If you need longer to complete a certain step than the time I give you, just pause the video. If you can't do a certain step, just pick another one or repeat a step. This is just for the warm-up. We're going to do 5 repetitions of each step going in both directions. So that'd be 10 repetitions of each step in total. By the time we've completed the 7th and last step, this is where you can pause the video, have a short break and a drink of water. Hopefully you don't skip the warm-up, because that's when you get most out of your body with a pre-game sweat. The thing is your mind can't truly relax if your body's not in its optimal state of performance. Thus a hindrance to the freestyle element, of which we are trying to improve. We're going to freestyle using one theme at a time, mostly staying in the footwork positions, but occasionally I do go to my back. The idea is to watch what I'm doing to fuel your ideas for the next round. And this is what makes it different from training on your own. You've got someone to bounce off. I have my boys and you've got me. So we're going to freestyle back and forth, having multiple goes at one particular theme. The themes are figure fours, pretzels and swings, hooks, pretzels and swings with directional changes. Now let me be clear, this does not mean that you are limited to, for example, only use the figure fours. It's just the focus of what we're trying to do. Having one clear task makes it much easier to freestyle rather than making up loads of moves on the spot. Should you get stuck, just use the figure four shape in whatever position or angle you're in at that moment. Same concept applies if you're doing the pretzels and swings or the hooks. Also, don't concern yourself too much about repeating. I mean, obviously avoid it if you can, but I repeat myself a couple of times, you can see in the video. So don't judge yourself too harshly, be kind to yourself so you can really focus on the task at hand. Alright, just quickly, figure fours are these beautiful shapes here. You can obviously make them in any position that you think. It doesn't have to be completely straight, you can kind of make it any way that you feel. Swings, on the other hand, can be anything from monkey swings to helicopters to pretzels, okay? And obviously hooks. Hooks are the classic. These are hooks, but you can also use these as hooks, or it can be up. But there's no reason why you can't use this as an upper hook as well. The last one is swings and pretzels again, but with some directional changes. So if you're going to use a 6-step within your swings, you're going to try and use it to go back the other way, if that makes sense. Go this way, go that way. Mix up the directions you are going to improve your flow. watching this video, what are the 3 bits of advice you would give yourself? I want you to write them down in the comment section so other people can learn from your own advice. If this is your second or more times going through this video, I would like you to comment what are the 3 main things that have improved since the last time you've done it, and also the 3 things that you're hoping to improve the next time. So do make sure you leave that comment for yourself, guys, because this way you can see your own track record and you can hold yourself accountable and see where you've improved. The question of the day is something I'm going to try and roll out in almost every video. It's going to help you, it's going to help those who are watching, and it's going to help me make better videos for you guys. Thank you for watching once again, ladies and gentlemen. I do hope you found this tutorial helpful, useful for you. Share it with a friend because I do believe this tutorial is useful for anyone of any level. You know the deal. Subscribe if you're new, like the video if you like it, support the channel if you would like to, listed down below. Stay fresh, stay clean, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace!